Seeing your baby take their first steps is a magical moment, but it also means it's time to ramp up safety measures at home. Let's explore some essential tips to keep your little one safe as they embark on this exciting journey. First, let's talk about childproofing your home. Start with securing furniture. Use sturdy safety gates for stairways and balconies. Anchor heavy furniture like dressers and bookshelves to prevent tipping. Also, remove floor lamps and vases that can be easily knocked over. Next, cover all unused electrical outlets with safety plugs to prevent shocks. Secure loose cords by bundling them and tucking them behind furniture or using cord covers. Use corner protectors on sharp edges of tables and furniture to prevent cuts and bruises. Remove fragile items like glass figurines and vases, placing them out of reach. Keep floors clean and dry to avoid slips. Place non-slip rugs or mats on hard floors for cushioning if your baby falls. Designate a play area by rearranging furniture to create a clutter-free space. Provide age-appropriate toys like stacking blocks and softballs. Avoid toys with small parts that could pose choking hazards. Always supervise your baby, especially when they're walking or playing. Stay alert and be ready to intervene if they head towards danger. Encourage exploration and movement by placing toys just out of reach. Engage in interactive games like peekaboo and read together to strengthen bonds and support development. Avoid using baby walkers as they can hinder natural walking development and increase fall risk. Instead, encourage your baby to develop balance and coordination naturally. Install window guards and door stoppers to prevent falls and injuries. Secure loose railings and banisters as needed. Keep harmful substances like medications and cleaning products locked away and out of reach. Have the Poison Control Center number handy in case of emergencies. Protect your baby from the sun with lightweight clothing, hats, and baby-friendly sunscreen. Be prepared for minor bumps and scrapes with a first aid kit. Learn basic first aid techniques to handle minor injuries calmly and effectively. Every baby develops at their own pace, so be patient and encouraging. By following these safety tips, you can create a secure environment for your baby to explore and thrive. Celebrate each milestone and cherish these precious moments. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful parenting tips and insights. Share your experiences in the comments below. See you next time!